Open Capcut Desktop on your computer. Click Confirm. You can use the free version of Capcut, but some templates require Capcut Pro so that the Pro features can be used properly. Go to the folder where the template zip file you downloaded earlier from Garudia.com is located. Then unzip the file. Open the unzip folder and look for the Files to be uploaded folder. Now you can see the template zip file that will be imported into Capcut Desktop. Now go to Capcut and look for the Settings section. Look in the Save to As section to get the storage path for the Capcut template file. Left mouse click, block the path address, then copy. Go to File Explorer, paste the path address into the address bar and press Enter. Now you can see where the Capcut template file is stored. Now go to the zip file to be imported. Copy and paste into the Capcut template storage section. Then unzip, select Extract here. Now you can delete the template zip file. As you can see, the template is already in Capcut Desktop and ready to be edited. Double left click on the mouse to edit the template. Double-click on the Compound Clip section to change the template's default video or music. When you're done, return to the main timeline. Do the same to change all the default videos or music of the template. After everything is done, now you can see a preview of the results. Now you can change the video thumbnail. After all editing is complete, now you can export it. The export process is complete, now you can see the results.